Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another new video. And in today's video, we are going to be tie-dyeing t-shirts. So, tie-dye is something that I've personally seen and heard about, but I have never tried it myself. And off late, I've been seeing tie-dye t-shirts, pants, jeans, jackets, and other things everywhere. It's so in trend that I wanted to try it myself. So I bought a kit to try it on t-shirts, and that's what is going to be today's video. So with everything happening in the world, most of us are still in quarantine or under partial lockdown, and this tie-dye project will be a fun way to get out of the monotonous, boring routine that you're in every day, and this will be something fun to do probably for an hour or a couple of hours. Even if you're adults or even if you have kids, this will be a fun project in my opinion. So let's see what we are going to do today. So for today's project, I bought this kit from Tulip. Obviously this is not a sponsored video. I just found this in my craft store nearby, and I bought this kit. Just want to say one thing. When you're doing these kind of projects, make sure if you're kids, then make sure that you have parents around you, because I don't think these dyes are safe for children to handle alone, and if there are elders with you while you're doing this project, it'll be safer for you. And even if you're an elder or an adult doing this project, make sure that you wear gloves so that you protect your hands. These dyes won't come off as easily as you think they will, so make sure you're wearing gloves before you're starting the project. So I have around 5 colors here. I'll show you in a separate picture, probably somewhere on the screen. I'm going to use these 5 colors as creative as I can on the t-shirts. I'm planning to do 3 projects in this video. One is going to be in a white t-shirt, the other one's going to be a yellow colored t-shirt, and the other one's going to be a blue colored t-shirt. So for today's video, I have purchased new t-shirts for this tie-dye project, but you can also use your old t-shirts that you don't want to discard. what I did is that for the white and yellow t-shirts, I used the fabric as is. That is, I did not wash it beforehand, and we all saw how the t-shirt was soaking in the dye. I'm sure it didn't spread a lot, but I'm okay with it. I wanted to try two different things. So for the blue t-shirt, I'm going to, I've already washed it, and let's see how the dye absorbs in this t-shirt. I'm done dyeing all the three t-shirts, and two of those are brand new, fresh, and they've never been washed. So obviously the dyes will spread less on those t-shirts. But the third one, I've washed it, so I'm eager to see how all these three turn out. The box says you just have to leave it for 6 to 8 hours, but the longer you leave it on the t-shirt, the more it will stay for you. I mean, even after multiple washes, the dye will stay on the t-shirt. So I'm going to leave all these three for 24 hours, and let's see how these turn out. Hey guys, so it's been 24 hours and it's the next day, and I've let the dye soak for more than 24 hours probably. So let's see how it turned out. So I've washed all my t-shirts and this is how they look. You would have seen the pictures right now. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. This was my first time, so I cannot expect miracles, obviously. Some of the t-shirts look like I just played Holi, but that's fine. I'm happy with the results. Probably next time when I do a tie-dye project, it might turn out better, because this time I've learned what all not to do and what all to do. So I'm pretty happy with my outcome. If you guys like this video, you can also try this at home and post in the comment section how it turned out for you. If you like this video, definitely hit the like button, and if you're interested in similar content, consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be posting more interesting videos in the coming weeks. I hope to see you all in another interesting video. Until then, take care and bye.